Is this a video taking?
Yeah. So explain it to me now.
Oh yeah, explaining.
Okay. Our big question is how to improve air quality of Beijing.
That's a good big question, that one.
Yes, yes. It's emergency.
Yeah.
抓紧时间，还有30秒。
There are some sub questions. What causes the air pollution, and what are the different methods we can use to deal with the air pollution in different fields?
Okay.
And there is the types of
Kelly.
air pollution
Kelly.
and the corresponding solutions.
Kelly,
And
just what are you doing?
about the presentation, we encourage students to do some experiments. The first one is how to design some experiments plans to support your ideas. And this about assessment is including presentation, their skills, cooperation, communication, creativity, and critical thinking.
Excellent, good stuff.
Thank
Well
you.
done. Good stuff, team.
就需要去问小问题，就回去问爸爸，是教室有什么不一样啊？然后什么东西有什么不一样？但是 learning outcome 是你期望的一个结果是什么？你想要
这就是教学目标。
这就是教学目标。那你就是说，他要能够做到好 graphic 的这种呈现。
对，其实我是想说，这个教学目标是通过这些问题引出来的。
那就是把问题搬到前面去，把问题搬到前面去。是一边 question， 然后 some questions， 然后才引出你的教学目标。
也行。
What grade are you working at?
双方的。
What grade are you working at?
Grade 1.
Grade 1. Oh, good stuff.
We'll make another one. This is a
Could you please pay attention to? Hi. Yeah, could you please pay attention to our first presenting team? 所有的老师们，大家请先回到自己座位上。我们第一组马上要开始进行分享啊，希望大家也都能便利贴，那个不同颜色的便利贴。一会儿我们这一张纸上面那个PO 已经写上了，大家对他们在 present 过程中有任何 question 或者是建议。
We're working on grade 1 unit called why is the sun important for grade 1? So there's 3 sub-questions. Number 1, what makes day and night? What warmed by the sun? And what are the 4 seasons?
So these are our learning outputs we're going to spoken about.
No.
So our learning outcomes are students will be able to identify the things that are warmed by the sun. And the students will be able to differentiate between day and night and that what causes day and night. And the students will be able to draw a picture about 4 seasons. So what we have done is we have tried to incorporate 4 C's in our lesson. And what we can make the students do is make a model of an earth, okay? Or they can also sing a song, right? For 4 seasons. And in order to develop critical thinking, we might ask students to think about what would happen if the sun would disappear. And there's one more. For collaboration, the students can work on together to make a poster or about the topics that they are learning. And finally, you want to talk about the assessment?
Okay, for the assessment piece, they should be able to describe the four seasons with their 5 different senses. And they also should be able to demonstrate verbally or use a model to tell how the Earth is rotating around the sun. That's all. Thank you.